It is such a beautiful morning, yet again. And I think this is day 6, which is crazy because it's just, they've all like disintegrated into each other. I love coming outside because I guess one, it teaches you more about yourself that you wouldn't really learn if you were surrounded by people and tech all the time, constantly stimulated. Second of all, it's just so much more peaceful and free than like being in society or in a town or something like that. So I've got my coffee this morning, as always, and today I'm going to finish off my teepee shelter. I took it down because where we had so much snowfall it kind of collapsed, so I replaced the poles, weaved it again, but I need to moss it all. And I've also did this lean-to, which you can see behind me. I'd like to shout out a few channels that definitely deserve way more subscribers and that are so inspiring for other people and really watchable and skillful people. So I'd like to shout out firstly Carrie from UK Carrie Outdoors. I'll leave a list of all these channels. She does a lot of wild camping, which is also in the UK, and she shows her progress from when she's a beginner and how far she's come, and just proving to all women that you can do it, and if you want it bad enough you can learn what you want to do and be really independent like she is. So, and recently she got hacked, so her older channel somehow got hacked, which is a real shame because she had really good growth on there, and now she's back from the beginning. So if you would go and give her a sub, that would help out so much. Second of all is my lovely dad. He has started up a new channel which is called Bushwhacker Overland. So that is everything he does in his Land Rover, from his kit that he has, his Land Rover setup, and the trips him and Mrs. Bushwhacker go on. So yeah, go check out that new channel. He's deleted all his Land Rover videos off of his original Bushwhacker Man channel and put them all on there. Third is Paul Primitive Bushcraft. So his channel is all based on really primitive bushcraft skills which are amazing. His content is absolutely amazing and he deserves way more subscribers than he's got, so please go check his videos out and you'll definitely learn something from there. Next is the lovely Brooke Whipple from Girl in the Woods. Her channel is doing so well recently and she's such an inspiring woman with what she's doing. She's got a cabin now and that's her latest videos. It seems whatever she puts her hand to, she's amazing at.
decide where you can have it.
In the fire.
Right, go out more.
Well, that'd be good. So I am fortunate to have Lou join me, my sister, my older sister. So she came up earlier and we went for a little walk. What do you think of the new setup? Do you like the little fairy lights?
Yeah,
they're
I
cute,
love it.
aren't they?
Yeah, really added effect. Really makes a difference. Cute.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Now my tent smells like chicken drumsticks. Lovely.
They were good, they were.
Yeah, they smelt it, to be honest.
Yeah,
you can't beat them.
barbecue flavour.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So it's going to be nice.
Yeah, really nice.
Cosy evening. And then rain for the rest of the week, innit?
Yeah, till Saturday.
So Luby has done a video from her time here. So if you like to go over and see her video, see her experience and her take of the camp out, then please do. Louise's Outdoor Adventures.
Yeah, that's the one.
Catchy little name, that. These are the wonderful mountain Herod glasses from Valon. Awesome with the side leather design, isn't it?
They're lovely. Perfect for these conditions. Can't wait to be wearing them in the summer. They're lovely. Thanks, Becky. Great for tasks like this because you get nothing in your eyes. I think I look like Steve McQueen from Great Escape.
In the cold kitchen light, we both look for a sign, and you say, these are troubles of mine. Weary thoughts of breaking up, coming under your skin, don't know it.
Just had my first wash of the trip and I really needed it. Like my first proper wash, fully washing my hair. I brought shampoo and stuff with me, so it's enabled me to have a nice wash and I feel so much more refreshed. I'm going to dry my hair off around the wood burner. So this makes it really handy having this wood burner because I've made it really hot. I boiled my hot water for washing, and now I'm going to dry off my clothes and myself. These tiny little compact tablet towels are ideal. I've used 1 or 2 every night for washing my face and my body, and they're ideal because they're tiny and they pack up really small.